Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Lollipop Biryani. Start with the chicken lollipops. Marinate them thoroughly with a blend of fresh yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of vibrant red chili powder. Let this mixture infuse for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, overnight in the refrigerator. This crucial step ensures the chicken is tender and packed with flavor, setting the foundation for our delicious biryani. Next, we build our aromatic biryani base. In a large pot, sauté 2 large sliced onions until they achieve a beautiful golden brown hue. Then, introduce whole spices such as 4 green cardamoms, 6 cloves, and 2 small cinnamon sticks. Follow this with 2 finely chopped fresh tomatoes and 2 slit green chilies, cooking until the tomatoes soften and the oil separates, creating a fragrant and flavorful foundation. Now for the layering. First, shallow fry the marinated chicken lollipops until they are about 75% cooked. In a heavy-bottomed pot, create alternating layers of the aromatic biryani base, the partially cooked chicken lollipops, and half-cooked basmati rice. Drizzle over a 1/4 cup of warm milk infused with a pinch of saffron, and generously sprinkle fresh mint and cilantro leaves for an explosion of flavor. The final step is the dum cooking. Seal the pot tightly with a lid, perhaps using dough to create an airtight seal, and cook on a very low flame for approximately 25 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Once cooked, let the biryani rest for 10 minutes before gently fluffing it. Garnish with crispy fried onions and serve your exquisite lollipop biryani hot, perhaps with a cooling raita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.